Today in class 12th, I will tell you a very new topic, that is the problem of paratrooper. I think you have heard the name of paratrooper. Paratrooper, this is simply called the airman in the Indian Air Force. And this airman or the paratrooper jumps from the aeroplane flying at some height from the ground. It has a parachute. So when he jumps from the aeroplane, his parachute opens in the air. So air is filled in the parachute. And at that time, the paratrooper falls with a slow speed. So now problem is that what will be the acceleration of the paratrooper falling down? That we have to see in the question, because this question is asked in the competitive exams. This is not very good. In NDA or in other competitive exams, this question is asked. So I am telling you this one, that how to find the acceleration of the paratrooper. Acceleration of a paratrooper. This is the question. When a paratrooper jumps from an aeroplane flying at some height from ground. His parachute opens in air. The air is filled in parachute. And it applies an upthrust on the paratrooper. Because of it, the paratrooper falls down slowly. Slowly with some acceleration. With some acceleration. So this is what that we have to find the acceleration of the paratrooper. Now suppose here is a paratrooper. He is having the hands like this. These are his hands. This is now paratrooper, and this is the parachute. This is the parachute. In which this is not like this. This is parachute. Parachute. I name it. This is now parachute. Parachute. And this is not paratrooper. This is now paratrooper, and he is falling down. So this is just like this. This is just like a drop falling in the atmosphere. So suppose we are writing like this. So this is now thrust U. This is now weight mg W. This is now weight W, and it is falling down like this. Then its acceleration will be vertically downward. So let m1 equal to mass of paratrooper. And m2 mass of air displaced. Air displaced. So this air is filled in this parachute. So a thrust acts on this paratrooper. Because of that, it is having the acceleration a, that is falling down with some acceleration, that is now a. So now equation of motion will be what? Equation of motion. Equation of motion. This will be now m1 plus m2 into A equal to m1g minus m2g. m2g, that is the weight of the air displaced. So air displaced, this will act in upthrust, and that upthrust will be equal to m2g. And here we consider that this upthrust is very small. This is equal to m1g minus 0. So here what we consider, that this m2 is very less than m1. In this condition, this will be equal to 0. So this is equal to m1 plus m2 into a. So this a is how much? This is equal to m1 upon m1 plus m2 into g. This is now acceleration. So if we know the value of m1, m2 and the value of g, then we can calculate the value of a, and from here you find that this a is less than g. Clearly a less than g. And if suppose this m2 is not negligible, then you can take this. So this will be the equation m1 minus m2 into g. In that case we are having so much. But since the air field in this parachute is not so much large, this is a small amount in comparison to the weight of the parachute. So I am giving an example that this, suppose m1 is equal to your 70 kg and m2 is equal to, suppose this is now your 5 kg, then this a will be how much? Therefore a is equal to m1 upon m1 plus m2 into g. A is equal to, now this m1, this is now your 70 kg, 70 upon 70 plus 5 into g. So this is 70 upon 75 into g, and this is now 5 is now your 14, 5 2 is now 15, this is now so much g, this is now equal to a. So the value of acceleration will be so much of the gravitational acceleration. It means that they will not fall freely. So you can see from here that if suppose this m1 and m2, this m2 is a very large one, then you can see from here that this a, that will be equal to no g. If the parachute does not open, then in that case the parachute will fall freely under gravity. If parachute does not open, the parachute will fall freely under gravity. And at that time, the acceleration A, this is equal to g. And this may hurt the parachute. So generally, the parachute opens in the air and the air is filled in it, so that the upthrust acts on the parachute. And that because of that he falls with slow speed and have the acceleration less than the gravitational acceleration. So this is what the problem with the parachute that I have told you. So just we have to find the acceleration of the parachute. So this is a very good topic. So you all watch the video, like, share and subscribe, and share it as much as possible. So thank you very much.